Alright guys, OneManOneCamera. We're going to do a swing by of the MSG Sphere at the Venetian just to see what's going on over here. And one thing which is really apparent is that they've taken down a lot of the fencing which blocks the ground level view. So once we pass this little wall right here, we can see right into the property. Ta-da! So you can see everything. Yeah? Which I think is pretty good actually, because it gives a nice view for us walking, driving, or riding by. Yeah? So, oh, check this out. Hang on. This T right here, I wonder if that will be part of the footbridge. Maybe it will offshoot from this bridge over here or something to this, perhaps, because there is talk about a 1,000 foot bridge from the sands area to here. Huh. Very good. All right. So as you all recall, this baby is due to open up in 2023. It's been delayed due to the good old pandemic, and so they had supply chain issues. And so now the date is in 2023. Didn't have an actual month or beginning, middle, or end, or whatever. And that's what I've heard. That's what I've read. Okay. And don't forget, this is a $1.66 billion project. Now, I just was looking around earlier, and it will have, I think, like about 25 or so, what do you call it? VIP suites and lounges, sort of thing. So that's surprising. I didn't realize that. Maybe I did, maybe I forgot. But that'll be pretty snazzy. You know, that'll be pretty snazzy when that gets done. And the Tao group, you know, those guys who have all those clubs and everything else, they are involved as far as the design of those suites and the champagne bar and so on. Maybe a little bit inaccurate on that, but the Tao group is involved in some of the designs. Okay? And check this baby out. Man, always, I'm here at the wrong time of day. And the sun is not in the best position. Okay? Oh well. It'll be. But I'm happy I can see through this thing. Well, I'm happy it's a cyclone fence now. Cyclone fence. We can all see through it. Yeah. So that is a plus. Let's just stop right here for a second and let the camera do its work. Outhouses as usual. Okay, so as you can see, they have these. I saw this last time I was here. These beams circling the project. Okay. Right. And then right there, I put an arrow on there. That looks like the escalators, or two escalators anyway. And then up on top, there was some work being done there. Now earlier, I did see a gentleman walking along this pathway on the first, like I'm on the third floor or so, or third level, walking around a little bit. So, okay, all right. Now I wonder what kind of design will be surrounding this place. Because you know, when it ends here on Sands, there's nothing here really, right? You got a sidewalk and then the monorail, and you can see the Wynn, the Encore, and Resorts World. Okay, fine. But the property itself will be an open area, maybe some trees and some green for people to hang out at before, you know, or after the concerts or whatever events are going on. I really wonder. And I also read that they're going to have some high-speed connections or connectivity for all the guests. And they're talking about 25 megabits per second per person. And they said at least 25 megabits per second. But you know how that goes, you guys. You know, depending on your internet sometimes for a certain speed, it's like looking for chicken teeth. Almost impossible to find. Okay. So let's just go down the corner and then turn right onto Manhattan. Oh, it is September 28th, about 3 p.m. Temperature about 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, nice and glare, lots of glare, lots of glare. So as far as dimensions go, let's pull up my notepad, as I forgot. It will be 366 feet tall and 516 feet wide at its broadest point. Capacity, about 18,000 people. So it's going to be pretty good. All right, and that will just about do it, you guys, for this quick ride by of the, wait a minute. Let's try that again. All right, that'll do it for this quick ride by of the MSG Sphere at the Venetian. It's looking good. And so, hey, we'll see what happens. All right, you guys. All right, you guys. Like I said, just a quick one today. I'm already sweating, huh? In 86-degree weather. Huh. How about that? Anyway, so let's hope everything goes well and they can finish in 2023 or earlier. That'd be nice. And so we'll see what happens. Oh, I have not heard anything else about the an additional monorail station, because there was talk of that, but I haven't seen any type of construction or preliminary work. I haven't noticed it. So anyway, who knows, right? All right, you guys, go away safe, see me outside, say hello. Oh, damn it. And I'll say hello back if I fell down. Take care wherever you are and have a great day. I'm gonna find some lunch. All right, you guys? Thanks for watching.